man say I told him dark hearted, no brother. The man no borrow gun for busting. The man on the whole time gun them in no people. You see me I say, him no borrow no boy gun. Him no link keeper say, lend me a gun. I feel him when I want him bust. Run tune!
People dead body bury on me backyard. Young star 6 and a star 9.
What's poppin' reaction gang? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction plus. Now we're here with another reaction for you guys. We have Rebel 6 featuring the Young Guns them. Why am I gonna say Young Guns? They're not there with it. We have Young Star 6 featuring Frosty 6ixx, Dark and Haunted. Official music video, people. The thing I dropped one day ago, I didn't know, I didn't see it because I'm starting to like subscribe to the Trinidad artists then because I'm getting a Trinidad reaction every day. You know what I'm trying to say? Yes, but you know say the hangover thing they go on the other day and XYZ. But guess what? We're outside and get them outside. People comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post, and you know post every single day, 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times per day. This is the 4th video of the day. And now we're gonna see what we're going to play. People like the video before watching. Comment again as I say to see your comment in the next video, and let's get to 10,000 subscribers. So the merchandise can drop. And my merch I'm gonna mean something. Pre-word say. You see a reaction says a lot. Let's get straight to the video, guys. Run tune. Is a gunman song though? We don't know.
Yeah, boss.
Everything ready?
Lord gosh, Young Star 6, Frosty 6ixx. Brass, I want go on. Tell them I can light the bro, got the size light, man. Man, buckle belt, man. Chop. John, I want go on a while ago. Man, care, lock off, everything start. I want to run through. Yeah, deal. I saw other thing I go on there, so that I got one buckle.
Send for the young generation. The young 6 them.
Rascal.
Send part the bomb time straight over Library.
Man, go for the wall of young 6 them and roll out back now, you know. See, search the 6. I see CM6. Oh, somebody let me know say the CM6, you know, because I say I want how much different 6 there. I understand when I'm saying say CM6, I want unity with Jamaican and Trinidad. We love that. We love that. We run tune!
Young Star 6.
Frosty Nation. Yeah.
You know what you're expecting. We could get the gun and see if they get fire. Turn on that. You know why me I hear that? Me get the gun and see if they get fire, people. Run tune!
Man back and haunted. Brand new scare with the shine. People dead body bury on me back.
Hold on. When you hear the man say? The man say man dark and haunted. You see me I say the man say people dead body in them back, yeah. Hold on! It's just that. Hey, if you want to watch this video, guys, without me pausing it, giving my reaction, which you're here for, the link to the original song is down below in my description. You can go pre it. But in the reaction bar is down. So run tune!
See and deaf, you're and blind. Noble, I'm dark and haunted. Every gun me bust a mind.
The man say I told him dark hearted, no brother. The man no borrow gun for busting. The man on the whole time gun them in no people. You see me I say, him no borrow no boy gun. Him no link keeper say, lend me a gun. I feel him when I want him bust. Run tune!
People dead body bury on me backyard. Young star 6 and a star 9. Yo, rebel.
Oh yeah, man say Young Star 6 and a star 9. Man use him name in our lyrics. Him artist name him fellow 6 virgin name in our lyrics. Very creative, very versatile. We come back, bro, gotta start now. Go on!
Load up the Glock, make me swing for them one time. Go feed them boy, make a day all when the sun shine.
Oh gosh. And the young 6 them and I want to youth. You must have load the grip, he go for them one time. One time. Go on.
Roy bring the case, Stevie bring the tech 9. Send one in your belly, shut up, break up the spine.
Oh gosh. Looks a chop. Looks like kick out teeth. Kick out teeth. I can't say that man people if a gun game and I know everything about the gun them, you know. I will if a gun game them man about in that because they man know everything about the gun them. Gun game them lit. I want to go on for the striker tonight. Guns them outside tonight. The guns there. Ah, see it there, run through.
Rifle full of a carbine. You never know Sixx link with this outside. Couple port killers step willing for take real life.
Yeah. All some little boy. Who never say Sixx link with the south side. Who never say the rifle them full up a car. Hold on there. Me just tell you say I be a gun game the man I play the youth. I'll be bumbo clip people. Like the video. See if you watch the video right now, like the video. So more people can get to see the reaction, boss reaction to the Trinidad bad man gun sang them. You overstand me, I try say. Red June. Ras. Clot. Ras clot.
Yo, I to bring the K from Sobos and ball kick it.
Clot. Nobody can cross it. Only who understand it. And why I'm gonna do to that? Go on, Metro.
Don't want you need them no person. Leroy and Tolo Sky Max out. Every bring the full auto 6 than a one king.
Voila. More hear bro got that. Bro got that chat some lyrics. People, if you enjoy the reaction, boss, right now, please like the video. Like the video so more people can get to see the reaction, boss. And if you're watching the video right now, you're not subscribe to the reaction, boss, you know, please subscribe to the channel, guys. We'll go for 10,000 subscribers, and next week we want it, you know. The goal is by the end of this year, though. But run tune. Anywhere in the Caribbean, anywhere in really different you come from, you forward from, wipe and come argument. Drop your flag in the comment section. Run tune.
Leroy and Tolo Sky Max out. Every bring the full auto 6 than a one kings and the killers fi hunted.
The man always inflow different than everybody else. You realize that? Everybody else one. His sound, like them dancehall sound just like, it's different. It's all just like our Jamaica dancehall thing too. You understand? But him have a flow and him voice that what him sound like? He don't sound like nobody, he's just unique. Listen to the man dog.
A mass man jump out the under. Who don't get the lightning, get the thunder, Marostek.
Hold on, the man said mass man jump out. Hold on, the man said the mass man them jump out the under. Man said who not get the lightning, I go get the thunder. You know what them man here say? More your next one know him. Frosty 6ixx still, you know. You see me I say, young star come out and say so. Sixx. Make it so Frosty 6ixx do, you know, man. Chop.
Man back and hunted.
Dead.
Brand new SK with the shine. People dead body bury on me backyard.
You hear that? Real clear, go so a young star do. You know what? You know people. Me know hate them go skip through the video. You know hate them skip through the video. But at the chorus the man them sing over brother. You understand? Yeah, dog. Run tune door.
Back and hunted. Every man me bust a mine.
Woo! Yeah. See them there? Hey. The cheeks them are outside and the girls them. Come think someone now go see no cheeks today, you know. Ladies, the reaction boss always a look out phone. You understand what I try to say? Shut turn on notifications in that, but reaction boss always a look out phone. But show up for the sex. Go on.
People dead body bury on me backyard.
Yeah, no.
Star 6 and a star 9.
Oi.
Frosty run out with the M1.
Yo, the man vice militant people. You hear the man vice cross. You're first to big up yourself. Me know I say Trinidad ask them see them reaction sometime, you know. So me I say big up on the bum buckle yourself, you know. You know me I say big up yourself, you know. On a real RJ, you know. Run tune Frosty.
From rebels here to get sent down. Big hole in the head now. Big crowd in the road.
Your reaction says a lot. Reaction boss. Bye. Run tune. Run tune.
Like stadium. Lock it in the head and watch your blood drip.
Yeah.
For murder, for sudden death. We fucked up.
No star. Man, I get in the head and watch your blood that drip. The man say you for murder. How you for youth. What them know about Trinidad? What them know about Trinidad? People like the video, no man. Run tune.
Up the place and no cigarette.
Yeah.
Six and bum ton will stop your breath.
Yo, vibes well up in a new ride with 3 new rifles.
Hold on there. People, right now, you may attack to watch the video. More you comment, be a fire emoji in the comment section. Like, right now. This moment and time, comment the fire emoji them in the comment section right now. Be a fire. Me a wait for no. Fire emoji. No, run through. Hold on, you drop a fire emoji yet? Run it through now.
Catch 3 new life blood. Run out of your left chest side. Run in your left wing like CR9 select.
The man tell you which party I get shot them. The man tell you which party I get. Youth, when you can't put them 6 from what Trinidad. I want you to but you can't put them one from Trinidad. People who 6 on the thing why that don't make ask you that now. The one them my yard or the one them my brad. Bomba clean. One them my Jamaican one over Trinidad. But no, so I want you to know that. But me still want to see a clash. Me used to the man them say Rebel 6 this alkaline too, no. I would say this alkaline. Make me know, because I'm search for something I'm gonna find. I know. Make me know. Russian boss.
Like one in the matic act select a guy. But the Sixx them not hesitate for select your file.
Put the 6 them youth. Go through song. I'm not go through song. Yo, the song done, please.
Yo, Frosty, yo, young star 6 and a young star 9.
The seat then go back in the chorus. Then also then go back in the chorus to the last half song finish. I want to say thank you all for checking out my reaction, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the reaction boss videos. And if you did, please show me you did by liking the video. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the boss channel. Okay, guys, we're under 10,000 subscribers, dog. Yo, dog, but then 9,000. Like at the start of this year, I was at roughly 3,000 subscribers. And then the reaction boss is I start post every single one buckle. Yo, not even talk off on a one buckle head right now. Run up on the like button. I'm out.